Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you are looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about very important Java interview question. Does the thread method start executing as soon as the sleep time is over? No, after the specified time is over, the thread enters into ready state or runnable state and will only execute when the scheduler allows it to do so. The question here is, inside your thread method, you are going for a sleep. You are executing a sleep method. The question is, after the sleep method is over, does it continue to executing this remaining code inside the run method? So in your run method, you have the first part of the code, doing some operation, running. It is the running state, and you started sleeping for 5 seconds. Immediately there is some code. The interviewer is asking, will this code executed immediately after the sleep? No, you should say no. After the specified time is over, the thread enters into ready state or runnable state and will only execute when the scheduler allows it to do so. Just for your understanding, I want to show you these thread states. So our question is, from ready state it was running state. In the running state, I have a sleep method, sleeping for 5 seconds. So it goes here. After sleep method, it only goes to the ready state, that means runnable state. So it's up to thread scheduler to bring it back to running state. So the interviewer is asking, from running it went to sleeping, will it come to running state again? No. Always after sleep state it goes to ready state, and then only from the thread scheduler it will move from ready state to running state. So be clear in your answer. You should say, whenever a thread method from the running state, if it goes to sleep state, the next statement, it's not guaranteed that immediately it will run. It has to wait for the thread scheduler to pick up. So immediately after this it will go to the ready state. That means I'm ready, I'm done with my sleep. Can I get my CPU cycles? So I will read the question again because it's a very important question. Does the thread method start executing as soon as the sleep time is over, say 5 seconds? No, after the specified time 5 seconds is over, the thread enters into ready state or runnable state and will only execute when the scheduler allows it to do so. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If this video is useful for you, please click the like button. Thank you.